Hi, I'm Anthony McMullin with McMullin Injury Law, and I want to talk to you about the biggest and the smallest resolutions that our firm had in the month of June. As you know, McMullin Injury Law, we take cases big and small and try and help anybody that we can. And sometimes those resolutions can be a lot of money, and sometimes they're not very much money. But here's a couple of examples of what that looks like. In the month of June, we resolved a car crash case in the amount of $300,000. It started out as a typical car crash case where a rear-end collision happened at a very busy intersection here in town. This one was a little bit different though. At the scene, the at-fault driver admitted to driving distracted. The impact was quite severe, and our client, although they didn't have any broken bones, sustained significant soft tissue injuries that required several months of treatment. In the end, this case had some aggravating factors to it. The at-fault individual had a history of DUIs and driving distracted causing crashes. That all played into how this case resolved, and in the end, the resolution was approximately $300,000. On the lower end of that, we resolved a case this month for $15,000. And it wasn't a car crash case. This was a dog bite case. This was a situation where a young man visiting an acquaintance was attacked by a pit bull unprovoked and sustained significant bites around his body. Although he didn't have a lot of medical bills, he had some scarring from the bite and also some emotional trauma that came from being attacked by this large pit bull. That case resolved for $15,000. As you can see, at McMullin Injury Law, we handle cases across the spectrum, from big to small. So if you've been injured, call us. McMullin Injury Law, never settle for less.